Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x800704cf on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first one is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. How would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will restore the Microsoft Store cache. The next one is to disable proxy settings on your system. And how would you disable proxy settings? So the procedure for it is very simple. You have to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. And lastly, register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and open PowerShell. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. That's it. It will do the job for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.